So hello everyone, this is Andy from LEDlightgurus.com, and today we're going to feature this modern kitchen from a brand new house. It's only a year old. It was built in 2017. Alright, so this kitchen came equipped with LED lights. Alright, first we're going to start off with the recessed lighting. Alright, so we got 8 recessed lighting on the ceiling. These provide a lot of light, so you can see it's pretty much a lot of lumens. And then we're going to move on to the pendant lights. Now these are good for the breakfast area, especially in the nights, you know, when you're trying to have dinner. Those kind of add some ambiance to the kitchen and your eating area. Alright, so moving along. Now we have these on the cabinet kitchen lights. Now these are LEDs, and these are getting more popular these days because you can leave these running like 24/7s. You can see all the cabinets have them. Those look real nice. So if you're looking to add some sophistication to your kitchen, these are a real good addition. They're easy to install, last long, provide a lot of lighting. As you can see how they're installed under the cabinet. So, alright, so that's it for the modern LED kitchen. You can check out my website at ledlightgurus.com, and you can hit subscribe or you can leave a comment below. Alright, thanks for watching and see you next time.